Hey guys, Windows 11 has solved the issues of many system admins. As the admin tried to install or uninstall or do some configuration changes, so he had to get to the settings and other setting configuration with countless times and repeating the same process again and again. To solve this issue, they have introduced the GodMode, which is the settings in a single folder and can be accessible from the ease of your desktop. So let's start. First, we have to create the folder, and we will have to give the name to that folder. I'll share that in the description. So let's start. I'm going to create a folder. This is new folder and I'll name it as I have given this. I'll share this code in the description. Once I change it, it will be created and it will take some time. So now, as we can see, this file has been created as the control panel, and this have the same pictures. So if we want to delete this control panel and use this GodMode, so if we double click on this, let's see what's inside this folder. So now, as we can see, all the settings which is in the control panel has been merged to a single folder, and we can use it for the purpose we want, or we can also search the settings whatever we want. So I hope you have learned how to use the Windows 11 feature as the GodMode for accessing all the settings in a single file. Thank you for watching.